it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this lilac shimmer look. So I had a hard time choosing between a glitter graphic eyeliner look and a wet glossy lid look, and I just had the idea to combine them, and this is how it turned out. I'm kind of living for it, so if you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep on watching. And hello again. So to save some time, I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows, so we can move right into the eyes. I wanted this look to revolve around the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Shimmer Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade 576B Fairytale Ending. It is a muted metallic lilac color, which is super pretty, and I received this courtesy of Influencer. I'm not very familiar with using liquid eyeshadows, even for glitter and shimmers. I just use the traditional powder eyeshadows, and I just wanted to challenge myself to use this on my lids. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So I've already primed my lids. It has a little bit of color. For the crease color, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Clay Play palette. I'm gonna be taking the shade Journey and just sweeping that into my crease. Let's zoom you guys in even closer. On the lids, I wanted a darker color so that the shimmer really pops. I'm going to be taking this burgundy shade from the NYX Night on the Town palette on a shading brush and apply that onto my lid. To intensify my eyes even further, I'm going to be taking this dark plum shade and putting it in the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to be taking this lighter plum color and putting it on the center of my lids. I'm going to go back with the crease brush and blend it out. I'm going to bring my outer corner higher, like a slight cat eye. And I'm going to take the crease brush and blend it out so there are no harsh lines. And now it's time to add the shimmer. The liquid eyeshadow has a doe foot applicator, which is good for putting on the lid, but if you want to do a cat eye with this, you can use another brush. I'm just going to be applying this to the inner corner. As you can tell, the shimmer has a very wet look. I'm just going to try my best to match the other side. And I'm going to put a little more in the inner corner. Next, I'm going to put it on my lower lash line, just the outer corner. Next, for the wing, I'm going to be taking a thinner brush and dipping it into the liquid eyeshadow so I can get a really precise line. I'm going to take some of the liquid eyeshadow and put it on the back of my hand so I have more control of how much product I put on the brush. I'm going to use that much for now. Taking the brush, I'm going to carve out the crease. Just kind of blend it into the center. And I'm also going to line the bottom lash line. We can clean it up later. I'm just going to do the same on the other eye. Get some more product. Going back to the dark plum shade, I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line so that it balances out the upper eyelid. and then I'm just going to smoke it out so it doesn't look too harsh. Next, I'm going to clean up the outer lash line with concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 Fair. And just carve out the wings so it looks more defined. I'm not going to be applying eyeliner because this wing is a statement on its own, but I will be applying mascara. Make sure you get a really nice close curl. I think that's the closest curl that I can get with my stubborn lashes. The mascara that I will be using today is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. I'm also not going to be applying false lashes because I feel like that would cover up the shimmer, all of the hard work that we did, so mascara will have to do. And we can't forget the lower lash line. Clean up the lower lash line if you need to. And I'm officially done with the eyes. This is how it looks. And I'm going to finish up the rest of my face. I'm going to speed up this part because you guys have already seen me do it so many times. All of the products will be in the description box if you're interested. And this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!